Let me just tell you, this flush mount light is great. I have the light off so you can see what it actually looks like, and then I'm going to show you with the light on. Now you can see it is so modern. It's such an upgrade from the old-fashioned bulb type lights. This comes with a remote. It's 24 LED, energy saving. It's 13 inches across. It's a flush mount LED ceiling light. So it comes in different modes, and so you're able to change, and then also change like more dimmable type features all through a remote control, which is so convenient and easy. Warm, white, soft, neutral type colors. It works well for, we have it in a hallway, in a bedroom, we have it in a closet. It's so easy to change out, again, those old-fashioned lights that you have, and definitely give your bedrooms and hallways and closets an upgrade. And what better than a remote? This is a great quality for the price as well. So if you need an upgrade of some of your old light fixtures, check this out.